Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best options for geometric centerpieces for weddings and events. The Hewory Geometric Tealight candle holders in gold. These stylish candle holders are not just functional but add a touch of modern elegance to any space. The Hewory Geometric Tealight candle holders come in a set of 12, crafted from high-quality metal with a smooth, rust-proof finish. Each holder features a minimalist geometric design, perfect for holding tea lights or small pillar candles up to 2 inches in diameter. The package also includes 12 clear glass votive cups, adding versatility to your decor options. For best results, place these candle holders on a stable surface and ensure to use them with appropriate candles. Remember, candles are not included in the package. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your event decor with a touch of modern sophistication, the Hewory Geometric Tealight candle holders are an excellent choice. Their sturdy build, elegant design, and versatility make them a standout option for weddings, parties, or even everyday home decor. That wraps up our review of the Hewory Geometric Tealight candle holders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.